Welcome to my CSE tutorial. In this video, we'll see exercise 1E from the chapter number 1, review of Python. The question is given here. Y is equal to 2000. If y mod 4 is equal to 0, it will print leap year or else not leap year. That means y mod 4 is evaluated. If the answer is 0 and the condition is true, then leap year will be displayed. If the condition becomes false, then not leap year will be displayed. Let's see the output. So here we see that leap year is displayed. That means the year y is equal to 2000 is a leap year. This is because 2000 mod 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, the condition is true and leap year is displayed. Let's check for the year y is equal to 2001. So here we see it is not leap year. That is because 2001 mod 4 is equal to 1. And so this condition becomes false and therefore not leap year is displayed. For more videos on CBSE 12th standard textbook, please stay tuned to this channel. Thank you for watching.